In SharePoint, use posts to keep everyone up to date. From your team site, select New, News Post. Another option is News Link, which is a way to pull in news from a different web page or website. After you've selected News Post, choose a template and select Create Post. The basic template for your news post is made up of sections and columns where you add images, text, and other web parts. This lets you design the page exactly the way you want. Select the headline and enter a name. Also, edit the web part, change images, and change the focal point of an image. To add a new section, select the plus sign and choose your desired layout. Within the section, select the plus sign and choose the kind of web part you want, such as text, images, videos, and more. When done, select Post News to publish it. Select Home to see the post on your home page, or SharePoint to see it on your Start page. To remove a news post, select Pages, choose the post you wish to remove, select Delete, then delete again to confirm.